Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Students, how are you? Hope you will be fine. Let's start our lesson with the name of Allah. Rabbi shrah li sadri wa yassir li amri wahlul uqdatam min lisani yafqahu qawli. Rabbi zidni ilma. Students, as you know, today our topic is the human body. The human body, which have different body parts which you have learned in your earlier classes. Now we will learn what other things we have to learn about these bodies. Students, we have different body shapes. Some people are fat and some are thin. In your home you will see the same people. Some will be tall and some will be thin. They have different body shapes according to the fat. Due to the fat, they have a different look and a different shape. And in your home you will see some people are strong and some are weak. Some are with the same age group are more stronger and some are more weak, but according to age, the elder one will be more stronger than you. Your elder brother must be more stronger than you. These are the body structures. These we have the body structures. And in your home you will see some people are tall and some are short. If you have any elder brother or sister, he or she will be tall than you, and the younger brother or sister will be short than you, as you will be shorter than your mother or father. These are also the body structures, but we have the same body parts. These all people will have same 2 eyes, 1 nose, 2 ears, 1 heart, 2 lungs. There will be no difference in our body parts in all the peoples. So now we will discuss about our internal structure. First of all, we will discuss about the bones. What are bones? Bones are the harder part in our body. These bones make up our skeleton. Skeleton is a group of bones. We have 206 bones which help us, this skeleton help us in stand upright and also in moving, in walking, in running and playing. We can do these all work with the help of our bones. If there will be no bones, you can't do these all jobs. So the bones help us in moving, walking, running and playing. And next one work is of bones is to give a shape to our body. This skeleton is giving us a shape. You can see some people are tall and some are short. Their skeleton, this is according to their internal skeleton, according to their bones. These bones give a perfect shape to our body. Here you can see you have a skeleton which gives a shape to our body. In skeleton we will have 206 bones. In our today talk we will learn also some bones and some joints name, but we will not learn all 206 bones names. We will learn some of them, but these bones can't do their job alone. They need help of some things which are the muscles and joints. A fleshy cover on our bones is called as muscles. When these muscles contract or relax, when you pull something, then muscles contract and otherwise muscles relax, so we can do our job. Next one thing is joint. Joint is the place where two bones meet together. Here is the place where some bones can move, for example, in our knee and in our arm. In our arm, the point of elbow, and in our leg, the point of knee can move, but their bones can't move. Here you can see we have a label diagram of a skeleton. You will not learn all these labeled bones. You will learn only the bones name which you have in your workbook, in which you have skull bone, humerus bone, radius, ulna, phalanges in hand and foot bones, hip bone, rib, spine. These are the bones name which will be labeled in your workbook, which I will give you in your homework task. You will complete that homework task and learn these bones name. Okay students, take care of yourself and your parents and do your work at home. So now here is your complete lesson. Learn it and enjoy it. Okay students, hope you